Welcome to Living Off Your Back Nerd. My name is Mark, and today what we're going to be doing is we're planting their second succession of broccoli. Now we've already started quite a few broccolis plants already. It was done on March 19th, and today's March 30th. So we're going to go ahead and plant a few more. Planting in succession is great because you don't want everything coming off ready at once. So remember, plan your beds properly. And what we're going to do is Lexie's here. She's going to help me to go ahead and plant the rest of these seeds. Can I borrow that? So what I'm going to do is, while Lexie's planting for me, once again, get her to do all the hard work, I'm going to go ahead and label a tag and the date these were planted, and I'm going to note them down in my diary so we know when these things are planted, how many we planted, our succession rate, and we're also going to see how long they take to germinate. We're going to keep a close eye on these. It's important to document what you do so you can look back on small changes like weather, soils, temperature, so on and so forth, and decide what really works best in your garden.